Get ready to experience the future of compact crossovers with the all-new Honda HRV 2026 model. The 2026 Honda HRV is here with some exciting updates. There are new wheel designs, including a size increase for the XL's rims, which now measure 18 inches. Two paint colors join the roster. Boost Blue Pearl is new, while Solar Reflection Metallic replaces Solar Silver Metallic. Sport models get gloss black tailgate badges, while the XL receives silver steering wheel spokes, dynamic illumination for the climate control knobs, and front footwell lighting. Honda has upped the HRV's standard content for 2026 and made some very subtle visual tweaks inside and out. All trims now include the 9.0-inch infotainment touchscreen, which was previously only included on the top XL trim. This upgrade comes with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto and a wireless charging pad. The addition of these features really steps up the game for the HRV. The new infotainment system is really user-friendly and comes with a lot of great features. You'll also get a much more modern feel with the updated design. Plus, with wireless charging, you can keep your phone charged on the go. And let's not forget about the seamless integration with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Another great thing about the 2026 HRV is that it's available with more standard features across all trims. You'll get more bang for your buck with this year's model. The base trim now comes with a lot of features that were previously only available on higher trims. While a hybrid version of the HRV is offered outside the US, we get only one powertrain option here, a traditional gasoline 2.0-liter four-cylinder that's good for 158 horsepower. This engine has proven itself to be reliable and efficient. The HRV's powertrain is definitely one of its strong suits. It's smooth, quiet, and gets the job done. The HRV's game-changing hybrid option could be the highlight, offering impressive fuel efficiency and performance. Although it's not available in the US, it's definitely worth mentioning. A hybrid option would give the HRV a significant edge over its competitors. Just imagine the fuel savings and reduced emissions. The hybrid HRV would likely appeal to eco-conscious buyers who want to minimize their carbon footprint. It's always exciting to see more eco-friendly options on the market. For now, we're stuck with the traditional gasoline engine, but it's still a great choice. In summary, the 2026 Honda HRV promises to be a strong contender in the SUV segment with its stylish design and advanced features. Don't forget to leave your thoughts in the comments and check out our next video on the latest Honda models.